My family is a bit unhappy. Getting a little hungry.
Welcome back to Jeff's Trail Dust. This past May, decided to get out and do a little exploring around Hot Springs in the Ouachita National Forest. Used a website called Trails Off Road, and we found the Winona Auto Tour. It's a scenic drive with the intentions that we could utilize some of the spur roads that connected to it to find something a little bit more challenging. The Winona Auto Tour is basically just a gravel road with several scenic vistas. Also, they include some pictures on their website to let you know what to expect from the trail. Anyway, we enjoyed it. But if you're looking for a challenge, this isn't it. It's just a nice Sunday drive. Enjoy.
Vista Point. Let's just roll up in here. Wow, look at that view. Oh, that's awesome. Sure you can do this trail in a Lincoln.
Oh gosh. Not that much to it.
Pulled over for lunch here at this nice little pullout on the Lake Winona Forest Road. Actually, I think it's called the Lake Winona Auto Tour or something like that. What was it? I don't know. Anyway, we got a couple of fire rings. It's about 3 miles in.
Going backwards.
You gotta watch where you're going. Yeah. Never seen anybody eat that end of an apple before. Is that good? Hey, is that good? Mmm. Oh yeah. I got dibs on the core. You know what that means? Most people don't. All right. It's a crying shame that people cannot pick up their trash. So, anyway, we're going to pick up some of this trash. And they were just recently here because I dug out plastic and an uneaten breakfast burrito and all kinds of nasty stuff. This trail has absolutely no challenges to it, but it does have some nice views. And that's about it. It's boring enough that it's put this guy to sleep. Covers are hanging in there. So, anyway, got a little fork in the road here. Almost to the end of the Winona Scenic Auto Tour. Oh, okay. So, well, we may. I don't know. We've got. We'll have plenty of time. But anyway, I got this track off of Trails Off Road. They're running a pretty good deal right now for a year. It's like $25 or something like that. And there's actually quite a few trails over in this area, and then you can download the GPX tracks. And anyway, I put them on my Magellan TRX7 and loaded it in there. And anyway, like I said, it's out. This beats anything right now, considering that we've been locked up for going on almost 2 months now. So it's just nice to be able to get out and explore and see what's out there. But anyway, we'll be about another 20 minutes or so. We'll be at the lake, and then we're going to determine where we're going to go next. So. Trying to make our way over to Alum Creek Trail, or Alum Fork. Maybe that's it. Alum Fork Trail. And we're cutting through, looks like Forest Road 132. And I don't really know how far we are from it. Probably not too terribly far. But this guy, all smiles. Mommy's asleep, of course. And we got into a little bit of traffic. We would have probably already been there, but they're putting along, which is not that big a deal because we got nowhere to be anyway. So anyway, check back in here in a minute. And we're still out scouring the countryside, looking for things to see. My family is a bit unhappy. Getting a little hungry. I had to break out the Gaia app on my telephone here to find where we're going. So this is where we were trying to end the day, is at Cedar Creek Lake, and we're probably about 5 miles from it right now. And so we're just trying to be safe and watch for people that might be coming in, because it is sun's getting kind of low. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Had a pretty good view of Forked Mountain just a second ago. I kind of broke through, and it's I think down here at the lake though we'll be able to turn back and look south, and we should be able to see it. So, well, the lake was a no-go. Too many people. So that's what did we say the name of this was? Forked Mountain, I think. Anyway, if it's not, you can let me know, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Anyway, all right, we're gonna check her out here and figure out where we're gonna go next.
South Fouche Campground.
Daddy's got me making potatoes. That's my bug spray.
You putting your bug spray on? Can I have it? Thank you. Thank you so much. Put that down. Yeah, I see that. Somebody left that there. Yeah. Well, we had all intentions of having a delightful dinner by some water. Well, we're by the water, but we're also by the bugs. And we can't see the water. You can sort of hear it, because there is a crazy amount of overgrowth there. So, anyway. We'll fire the scuttle up here in just a second. We're gonna have some good old hamburgers and some red potatoes chopped up, just so they'll cook. So anyway, have a few good drinks, and then we'll be on our way home. Man, putting a mean sizzle on those hamburgers and potatoes. Can't blame him, he's been sitting in that chair all day today.